Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I have Young Kai for you. You know that young man who did the song called Blue, the international success, is back with a beach song, and it's very sweet. So let's go into this one. As you can see, Cape on Fourth, absolute best scenario for us. There are no other options pretty much, and this is what you need to have. So with that, we're gonna go into the song, and no chords for this. We're just gonna use grips. And what I now will tell you is very important. You have your index finger on this first fret B string. That will be glued there through the entire song, because we have this melody going round and round in the same way, and you don't leave that index finger from this first fret B string. Then we're gonna just work with bass notes. So first fret, your index finger on that B string, and then we're gonna go like this. Alright, so how this works is bass string, and then you answer with open G and first B together. Okay, so that is played together. So we're just gonna go and switch bass strings. So the first bass string is on the third fret A string, and then you play that open G and first B. That is one round. You play it for 2 rounds. So then you go to the next bass string, which is the second fret A string, and you answer with the same, of course, open G and first B. That is 1 round. You play for 2 rounds as well. So, and then you switch the bass string now to the open A string, and you answer with that open G first B together. That is 1 round. You play for 2 rounds as well. And then you go up to the new bass string, which is the third fret E string, and you still play that open G and first B together as 1 round, and that will be 2 rounds in total. So, and then you go into the new bass string, which is the first fret E string. And what I do here, I'll turn my wrist a little bit inwards like this and get it with my mid finger. And again, still open G and first B together. This time you're gonna stay in this grip for 6 rounds. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you go back to that third fret E string and play that for 2 rounds as well. That finishes as 1 round of melody. So to summarize it, the bass strings was third fret A, second A, open A, third E, first E, and back to third E. So you're gonna play 2 times on all these grips except from that first E where you play 6 rounds. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. And with the answering notes, again. Alright guys, so that's it. Young Kai's beach song. If you have a beach close to you, grab a blue guitar because he did the blue song. I don't have to, but if you have one, it's cool, and play this for your friends. A lovely song, or maybe your girlfriend or boyfriend or whatever. Yeah, give it a shot. Hope to see you soon guys. Till next time, play tuned.